my name is JC Pauli with Las Vegas Air Duct Cleaning. We are the only NADCA and QADCA certified air duct cleaning company in the whole state of Nevada. We serve Las Vegas, Henderson, residential, commercial, industrial. It's got an air native here in Las Vegas. I was born and raised here. I went to Votech High School, and after that I actually graduated from Odyssey Charter School. I went to college in South Carolina at the Citadel, where I played tennis on scholarship, and when I was there I really got a feel for how important it is to take care of our local heroes, people who are here and abroad, which is why we partnered with CSI, and we would love to extend a discount to any one of their clients, because again, both my parents were teachers, and I recognize that teachers, doctors, especially now frontline health workers, police, firemen, military, veterans, anybody who I would call is a cornerstone of our community. Without them, we couldn't function. No matter your political stance, what you think, we can't function without those people, period. So our idea was to do our part and extending a discount to all of their clients, to make sure that what we can control is their indoor air quality, and we're going to do our best to make sure that we take care of them. So NADCA and QADCA are the two governing bodies for duct cleaning across the United States. So NADCA stands for National Air Duct Cleaning Association, NADCA. QADCA stands for Quality Air Duct Cleaners Affiliation. Intentionally, what they do, they work almost like a contractor's board for duct cleaning. So if you're going to hire a duct cleaning contractor, you want one that has been certified by at least one of those two governing bodies. Why is that? The reason being is they do all the background work or the legwork in ensuring that a duct cleaning contractor is doing things the right way. Are they using the right equipment? Are their technicians trained? Are their billing procedures transparent? Essentially, just do they know what they're doing, and are they looking to give you as a customer a proper service and charge you a fair price? So believe it or not, all of the dust, not all of it, but a large majority of the dust that you see in your home every day that's on your furniture, your picture frames, all that kind of stuff is dead skin. It's dead skin from you, from the previous owner of your home, the construction workers, your friends, anybody that's ever been inside your home. So over the course of a year, it's estimated that in a single family home, it generates about 40 pounds of loose dead skin over the course of the year. So that means that when your air is circulating, you are literally breathing not only your dead skin, but everything that was on the dead skin. So it's kind of the same principle as why dog dander causes so many allergies. Is yes, obviously the dog hair itself is an issue, but it's all the things that are on the dog hair. When they go outside, they roll in the grass and all that kind of stuff. It's the same deal with humans. Whenever you're outside walking around at your workplace or just outside at the park maybe, all of the pollen and things that are sticking to your skin, when you now go in your home and you inevitably shed that dead skin, that now circulates through your air. And it's almost the same thing as putting that pollen in a bucket and literally dumping it inside your home. So it's a very big deal. Now, after we come in your home, perform the service, and eradicate all that stuff, the most important thing you can do as a homeowner is changing your air filters at least every 3 months and making sure that when you do see dust around your home, you clean it. Because the more dust there is, the more it's going to pick up and end up circulating through your system. So there are essentially 3 or 4 other primary services that we offer while we're doing the air duct cleaning that we highly recommend our customers take advantage of. The first of those is dryer vent cleaning. It's estimated that over 15,000 structure fires start every single year across the country simply because people do not clean their dryer vent. How do dryer vents get cleaned? How do fires even happen? So the way that we clean dryer vents is we use a high-powered air compressor along with, it looks like almost the head of a snake. It's a little tiny ball that's made to go all the way through that 4-inch dryer duct, 30, 40 feet, 50 feet, all the way through the duct, knock loose all of that lint and blow it out either the side of your home or the roof. Why does that lint cause a fire? How does it cause a fire? The reason why it's so important to clean that lint out once every year, the dryer vent's recommended once a year. So it's important to do that once every single year because when you run a load of laundry, only about 20 to 30% of the lint produced from your clothes gets stuck in that little lint trap. So when you go, you run the laundry, you come and you clean the lint trap, you're only getting a small portion of the stuff that's actually in there. Whatever doesn't get caught inside that trap gets sucked inside the dryer vent and gets stuck inside the big metal pipe. The big metal pipe that is your dryer vent or dryer duct, same thing, normally runs through your wall and then out to the side of your home, sometimes through your roof. Now that humid dryer lint over time gradually fills up the duct. When the hot air from the dryer then flows through the duct, if it's too clogged, that hot air can't go anywhere and it stays humid. And so that's why sometimes if the dryer vent is clogged, you'll notice your dryer's not working as well. You run the load 2 times, 3 times, and the dryer's getting hot, but the clothes aren't drying. That's exactly how fires start. Because the hotter the dryer gets, the hotter those components inside the dryer get. And so you can either have an electrical fire where the dryer itself literally catches on fire, but more often than not, that hot air that keeps getting pushed through the pipe, the lint obviously is very flammable. It combusts, then the whole vent catches on fire and you have a very bad situation. So dryer vents, very important to clean. Second after that is coil cleaning. Cleaning the AC coils is extremely important to both AC efficiency and indoor air quality. It's important from an AC efficiency standpoint because the coils are what cool your home. It works a lot like a car radiator in that sense. As the air moves through your system, it grabs the freon from the coils, it removes the heat, and then you get cool air into your home. Now, if that coil is blocked up by dirt, dust, debris, any kind of bad odors, bad smells, when the air moves through, it's not going to be able to move through as freely. So the AC is going to have to run a lot longer than normal to get the air at the proper temperature. But furthermore, as far as the indoor air quality, all of that gross gunk that's built up inside the coil is now getting blown inside your home. So when the AC coil is sweating water during the summer, it's now sweating water onto the dirt, dust, and debris. And the AC coil is actually where we get a lot of situations with mold, bacterial growth, and things like that. Very important to disinfect and clean the coils while we do the air duct cleaning. The third service that we recommend doing while we're performing the air duct cleaning is cleaning the furnace and the blower compartment. This is located right above where the air filters go. So if you were literally to remove your air filters, crawl all the way up inside that duct, you would arrive at the furnace, which essentially looks like a big blower wheel inside of a big compartment. Whatever is inside that compartment, whatever construction dust, dirt, dead skin, animal hair, debris, whatever is inside there is getting blown into your home at all times when the AC is on. So if we don't come in and when we're not able to clean that furnace and heat exchanger, the minute we leave your home and you turn the AC back on, all of that stuff is going to blow right back in the air ducts, and it's almost like we're back at square one. We haven't even done anything. So cleaning the furnace, cleaning the coils, and cleaning the dryer vent are 3 of the most important services that we offer when doing air duct cleaning. So prior to doing the actual cleaning, when our guys are coming in and when they're first inside the home, we inspect the ducts to make sure they're not ripped, torn, disconnected, and to make sure they're also up to code. Because we come in homes, not a lot, but I would say maybe 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10 homes, the ducts are either ripped, torn, disconnected, or they're not up to code. What does that mean? When the ducts are disconnected or ripped, that means that essentially you are blowing cold or hot air directly into your attic, which creates a situation where your home AC bill skyrockets because you're trying to cool your home, but a majority of the air is getting sucked into the attic. And B, it really makes a difference on your indoor air quality. Say, for example, one of your return ducts in your attic is ripped. The return duct is what sucks air into the unit. If that duct up there is ripped, it's literally sucking air from the attic directly into your AC system. So all of that insulation, that really, really dusty air that you don't want to breathe in your attic is now getting sucked into your home, and you're now breathing that every single day. Very, very bad. Now, when we inspect the coil in the furnace, we always do picture photo inspections. So we don't go in your attic, come down and say, hey, it's going to be $300 to fix this, just trust us, we need to fix it. We don't operate like that. We take pictures of your system and we show you the pictures. Everything is geotagged so you can see the date, time, exactly when everything was taken. And if it does need to be serviced, we say, hey, this is what it looks like. Would you like us to service this today? If you say no, great, no big deal. If you say yes, great, we can take care of it. But either way, we do a full comprehensive inspection to make sure we have all of our bases covered. So there's a lot of kind of misnomers about, oh, well, my house is new, everything should be clean. Which, in a general sense, yes. Obviously, if you're moving into a new home, much cleaner than a 20-year-old home. But if you drive around anywhere that you can see they're building homes, immediately after they frame the home and they put the big wood up, one of the first things they do is install the ducting. So from that point where they install the ducting, from that point on until your home is absolutely finished, all of the drywall, flooring, painting, stucco, whatever is done is getting sucked into the air ducts. For example, we do a lot of commercial work where it's actually required that after they do new construction, they have to get an air duct cleaning by contract. And obviously it's not required for homes, but we highly, highly recommend after new construction is done to just get your home cleaned out and serviced. Because what happens is construction dust is actually one of the most irritating indoor air pollutants to humans. If you ever go into any kind of construction situation without a mask on, you'll understand that, wow, that chalky, that thick dust is really bad for your lungs. Especially if you're moving into a home with little ones or pets or anything like that. Highly, highly recommended for all newly constructed homes to get those ducts cleaned and serviced. Ultraviolet lights, what we carry are called UVC lights, so ultraviolet germicidal lights. Now, what they do is it's a light that gets installed directly in your central HVAC system, and it purifies the air as it moves through it. How it works is it emits an ultraviolet light that's on the same spectrum as light that you would get tan from the sun from. It's obviously a little bit different though. It's on a slightly higher part of the spectrum, and the ultraviolet rays actually kill the DNA of mold spores, plant spores, bacteria, viruses, anything that can cause negative indoor air quality. This ultraviolet light is the #1 product to get rid of any of that. We install them a lot in medical facilities. We do some work with large cannabis cultivation facilities where the air has to be pristine clean. And it's by code, they have to have UV lights installed there or they cannot operate. So that just kind of gives you a feel for how effective these things actually are. Now, if you have any kind of issues with allergies or anything of that nature, there isn't a better product that you can buy than a UV light that works better. Our UV lights have a lifetime warranty. So from the minute we install them to forever. Whether you move, whether you get a new AC unit, we'll remove the light, we'll put it in your new home, we'll put it inside your new AC unit. If you're not happy with it, we'll simply come grab it, we'll take it away. The only maintenance is you have to change the bulb every 3 to 4 years, which we do ourselves. We come out and we change it. But other than that, the UV light, especially with the health being top of mind right now, very, very hot seller, and people are really loving the results they're getting from them. So,
on behalf of Wade and myself, Jeff Crampton from the Crampton CSI team, thank you for watching another one of the videos from our Home Ownership Success Program. We hope you found the information on this video to be of value, but if you'd like more information, please call Las Vegas Air Duct Cleaning Services at 702-410-6157. And remember to ask for your 10% local hero discount that they offer to our CSI clients. Please like CSI Real Estate Services on Facebook, comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would sincerely appreciate it. Bye-bye.